Before you begin stenciling, mask off your crown molding, baseboards, and switch plates. Add a clip-on stencil level to your stencil to guarantee straight results every time. Reduce your chances of bleed by spraying the back of your stencil with spray adhesive. Pour your paint into a tray. We recommend stenciling with paint in a flat latex finish. Evenly load your 4-inch dense foam roller. You don't want a lot of paint on your roller, so if there's any excess paint, offload it onto a paper towel. Position your stencil at the top of your wall or crown molding. Gently roll the paint over your stencil. If applied properly, your paint should dry in about a minute. Align your stencil with the registration marks and the previously painted area. When you reach the baseboard, lay the remaining section of the stencil on a large piece of paper or tarp to avoid getting any paint on your floor. When you reach the bottom, roll your roller downwards towards the baseboard. Then take a 3¼ inch professional stencil brush and pounce towards the baseboard for an extra crisp line. The free top edge stencil makes it easy to fill in the gap between the crown molding and your stenciled wall. Align it with the previously painted area, then roll your roller towards the crown molding and pounce your brush inward towards the crease. Now it's time to stencil our corners. Mask off the wall you are moving towards. Position your stencil so it aligns with the previously painted wall and wraps around the corner. Roll the paint directly into the corner. Then take your professional stencil brush and pounce it into the corner. Don't be afraid to get your hands dirty and push the stencil into the corner with your fingers. If you plan on continuing the stencil pattern on the other wall, mask off the wall you just finished and repeat the process. If you pull the tape and your corner has a minor gap, here's a simple solution. Take a touch-up brush and fill in the gap with the paint color. If there is an area that has a tiny bit of bleed, use cutting edge stencils liner brush to touch it up.